Good morning to everybody. Today we speak about the week number 6 for 8A and B. Please pay attention to this video. You can find explanation about your homework, okay? Please copy that informative data, course, signature, teachers, and week. Don't copy indications, skills, objective. The topic is pros and cons of living in the countryside. Okay? Exercise number 1. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is two activities that you doing in the past. To describe a parallel action, describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time. To express an interrupted action in the past, to describe a repetition and irritation, okay? In the past, you make positive or negative past continuous tense. In this exercise, pay attention, please. You do positive and negative. For example, you have in number 1, Julie. For Julie, we use was, the verb in ing. Julie was sleeping at 3 o'clock. This is in positive, but in negative, you do this. Okay, let's give it a minute. Julie was not sleeping at 3 o'clock. Okay. Number 2. For you, we use were. You were studying at 3 o'clock. In negative, you add nor. And the exercise is there. You were not studying at 3 o'clock. For look, use was. You was reading at 3 o'clock. Reading at 3 o'clock. And in negative, you was not reading at 3 o'clock. Number 4. I work. I use was. I was working at 3 o'clock. In negative, I was working. I was not working 3 o'clock. I was not working at 3 o'clock. For they, we use were. They were eating a chocolate cake. In negative, they were not eating 3 o'clock. For John, we use was. John was playing tennis at 3 o'clock. In negative, John was not playing 3 o'clock. For we were watching TV at 3 o'clock. In negative, we were not watching. Vamos con la siguiente oración. He was using the internet at 3 o'clock. He was using the internet at 3 o'clock. In negative, he was not using the internet at 3 o'clock. Con we use were. You were cooking a lunch at 3 o'clock. You were not cooking lunch at 3 o'clock. And the last, con we were going to London at 3 o'clock. In negative, you were not. We were not going to London at 3 o'clock. This is the homework. Now, on part 2 of your homework, your cousin from a big city wants to know about your wages in the countryside. Look at the picture I put for pros, advantage, and C for cons, disadvantage of living in the countryside. Compare your answer with the partner, okay? This is the picture ya por P or C. Pollution, P, aquí vemos P, C, C, P, P, and P. Remember, C, P, C, P, P, and P. This is C and C, C, P, P, and P. Okay, now, vocabulary. Pale is skin with a very colored sickly, weather, climate. Pollution, dirty air and water. Break, to take an air. Eat his now, eats on can. Yeah, okay. Vamos, write the advantage and disadvantage of living a countryside. Pros, advantage is the weather. No pollution. No pollution. Great. Disadvantage. No shopping centers. No shopping center. Another is the pair. And no more. This is disadvantage to live in a comfort size. This is all, guys. Please do this homework in handwrite, no computer, please. Realice este deber a mano porque si lo realiza a computadora le mando a repetir. Por favor, chicos, muchas gracias. Buenas tardes.